Today we are going to be redoing this table. I want to turn it more into like a farmhouse style. I don't really like the look of this. I don't like the color of it. I was just going to stain it, but I saw a video on YouTube of another girl redoing a table similar to this, and I kind of want to recreate it, make it my own. Super excited to see what it's going to turn out to look like. So stay tuned, follow us along in this journey of redoing this table, and I will show you the end results later. We bought this table and chairs on Facebook Market for only $80, and we just wanted to recreate it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the legs off the table and then move everything outside so it's easier just to stain everything down and stain it out there. So that's what we're about to do. Here's what the table looks like underneath. Blake helped me find the right tools to take it apart. We put the table on these sawhorses so that it was easier to sand down. Okay, so we're going to measure out this board right here. So we're going to take half of 5 1/2, and that's going to be 2 3/4. I'm going to draw a little line. Okay, and then we're going to measure out the top, which is 36 inches, so half of 36 is going to be 18. So we're going to mark a line all the way around, line them up like this. And then we're going to do that on the other side too. Okay, this is the glue I got at Home Depot, just Elmer's Glue All for wood. We're going to put some on the boards. We are adding these boards on top of the table to give it some length. Oh! Cool! I made 2 holes! Did I do it? That's good, right? I'm so proud of myself. Hi. Alright, we got the first board screwed down, so it's in place and it's sturdy. Next we're just going to glue all the rest of the boards down, put some heavy things on them, and then let it dry. So right now we got a bunch of heavy stuff stacked on it so that it helps adhere the glue to the table. Next I'm just going to sand down these legs. So it looks kind of like this. Still a lot of sanding to do. Day 2, I just worked on sanding down the table and sanding the legs. There was some extra paint left on the legs here that I couldn't sand off, but I actually liked the way it looked with the stain. I sanded down the tops of the chairs, which I don't really think was necessary, but I wanted to make sure the spray paint stuck to the wood. Okay, now we're going to spray these chairs down, paint them black. This doesn't have all the coats on it yet, but that is the after. It's so crazy what a little paint can do. Okay, so for the chairs, I put on this polyurethane. After the chairs were completely dry, I put 2 coats of polyurethane on them just to protect the black spray paint. Okay, now we put the wood putty in there in the cracks, let it dry for about 2 hours, and now we're just gonna sand her down. The table is all sanded down and ready to stain. About to stain the table.
Okay.
Oh, it's so pretty! Oh, it's perfect. nice. You can see all the different grains. Wow. I let the stain dry overnight, and now I'm ready to put a layer of polyurethane on top. I ended up doing 4 coats of polyurethane, and I had to make sure to let it dry in between. Once it was dry, I lightly sanded it and then added another coat. Okay guys, I'm about to show you the table and I'm so excited for you to see it. Me and my husband worked so hard on this and it turned out way better than I ever could have imagined and I am so in love with it. So here we go. Check it out! Here's just a little clip of what it looked like before. Here is the after! It's so beautiful. I've never been more in love with a piece of furniture in my whole life, but this is it. Let me know what you think.